YouTube, back again for another video. Thanks for all the new subscribers, does mean a lot. We need to get this channel moving now, so if you can please like and subscribe, comment down below. It's a massive help and it will help us build this channel. So we're back at the hedge cutting job now. We're going to get ladders out. Got a lot of leaves to tidy up here as well, and we're going to get the rest of those conifers cut today. Weather's pretty iffy, if I'm honest. It looks like it's going to chuck it down any minute now. So hopefully we can get these all cut, get the lawn cut, and then that's this one wrapped up for the month. So yeah, let's go get some tools out. So this is what we're cutting today. Got these 5 to do. Sheets out. Got a lot of metal to watch out here, and I'm pretty sure the neighbours are going to make an appearance. One down. So a bit of the same scenario as the other side. This side never cut their side of the conifers ever, as you can see up there. Sometimes they do come out and ask me to cut it, and they haven't come out yet, but I can't. I could cut the top off, but it's going to leave a load of rubbish on their side, so we'll see. If they want their side cut, I'll give them a bill. Right, so it's 4 done now, on to the last one. Not gonna get that bit on the neighbour's side. I'm pretty surprised I haven't actually been round yet. Get this one done and then get on for the clean-up. So that is us done there. Just got the tidy up to do, not gone too harsh on these ones. Need to, we're only cutting these once a year. Really, they need a cut, I would say, twice. And then we can get them really sort of shaped in, but it's definitely looking a lot better. Just try and get in here, rake all of this out. Broken the bird feeder. Not that I think it, well, I think it's past its best. Got a few plans here in the winter, take a few things out, put a few new bushes in. I cannot believe they didn't come out, because they normally do. So, all finished now. It's not the tidiest, I have to admit it, but this is in and out today, not a lot of budget, so rushing about and filming, but it's definitely better than what it was. I'm going to come back in here next week, because I did say I was going to sort this moss out, and I still haven't done it, so I'm going to come back next week, do the leaves and the grass and get some iron sulphate down, so we'll probably skip to that bit. So we're back here, we're now finally going to get some iron on this job. It's been well overdue, really busy with all the storm damage and bits and bobs, so let's take a walk through. So I've just given this one a quick mow. It's got a bit of leaf damage here where the leaves have all sat on it. Hedges are all looking good now. Dog damage is not great. Let's get some iron on and then we'll check back in here in a couple of days. So we're now back here a few weeks later. Let's go and see what the iron treatment has done. So there's a bit of storm damage come through. Moss has started turning black. Pretty worse for wear over here. Lawn is in need of a few treatments and a bit of feed. Over here it's bare and very mossy. So yeah, just checked in on that one, just wanted to see what it was looking like. We've got one more visit here next week, just before Christmas, just to give it a mow and a blow through. I think what we're going to do in this one, I'll come back here with you guys in the spring and we'll do a load of lawn renovation work on this one. They have very little budget here, so we'll see what we can scrape together from their budget. If not, we might have to do some bits for free of charge. But yeah, thank you guys for watching the video and I'll see you in the next one.